In this video, I'll show you how to create a watch list on Webull to track stocks step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To create a watch list on the Webull app, open the Webull app and log into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Watchlist tab, located on the far left side of the bottom navigation bar. This will open your default watch list. To create a new watch list, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. A side panel will slide out from the left side. Tap on Add List near the top of that panel. Enter a name for your new watch list in the name field, located in the center of the screen. After typing the name, confirm it. To add stocks, tap on Add Symbol below the name field. Use the search bar at the top to type the stock name or ticker symbol. When the results appear, tap the ++ icon on the right side of the stock name. Then select the watch list you just created. You can also add a stock directly from its details page. Open any stock, then tap the heart icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Select the watch list where you want to add it. To view your created watch lists, go back to the Watchlist tab at the bottom, tap the menu icon in the top left, and select the list name from the panel. If you want to manage your lists, open the side menu again and tap Manage List. From there, you can rename a list or delete it by selecting the Edit option next to the list name. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.